Hi everyone! Welcome to Daily English Pulse. Today we're talking about something every English learner faces: mistakes. But don't worry, mistakes are part of learning. I'll show you common English mistakes and how to fix them. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. He go to school every day. That's incorrect. Correct. He goes to school every day. Tip: for he, she, and it, always add sto the verb in present simple. Mistake number 2. I am agree. Incorrect. Correct. I agree. Tip: agree is a verb. Don't use am with it. Mistake number 3. I'm good in English. Incorrect. Correct. I'm good at English. Tip: use good at for skills. Mistake number 4. I'll meet you on Monday. Incorrect. Correct. I'll meet you on Monday. Tip: use on with days, in with months or year. Mistake number 5. I did a mistake. Incorrect. Correct. I made a mistake. Tip: we make a mistake, not do one. Mistake number 6. I have 25 years. Incorrect. Correct. I'm 25 years old. Tip: in English, we say I am for age. Mistake number 7. Saying the B in thumb. Correct pronunciation, thedam. Mistake number 8. Comfortable. Many say confortable, but it's actually comfortable, kvmftpl. Mistake, something that is wrong. Preposition, small words like in, on, at. Pronunciation, the way we say words. Grammar, rules for speaking correctly. Correction, fixing a mistake. Repeat after me. I made a mistake, but I'm learning. She goes to work at 9 a.m. I'm good at speaking English. You're doing great. Remember, mistakes help you improve. Which mistake have you made before? Share in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Pulse for more simple, helpful lessons. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching.